Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is day 2 of me preparing to move out of my family's house. So today I will be listing the things I need to buy for my room in the house and all the accessories, how I would love to design my room. I will start preparing, writing down the plans before the day comes. Let's do this together. Literally, I do not have the picture of the room. I do not have an exact design I'm going to use, but I'll be listing down the things I think I need to buy. So when I get to the house, then I will look at the room and then pick my design. I've been working on creating like a schedule book, a routine book, financial planner, because moving into somebody's house, if I know I'm getting a lot of free things, a lot of, like, I'm not paying house rent, I'm not paying electricity bill because it's solar, I am not paying service charge. The person is paying service charge, so the only thing I'm actually doing is either I am paying for my own food or I am eating free food. Just thinking about it, that if I am going to live this way without discipline, I'm going to use my money lavishly. What about if the person gets tired of me and asks me to leave the house? What would I do? I've been working towards creating the financial planner, yes, to help me know how to manage my money, to understand how I am spending my money and what I am using my money for. So I created the ebook last night and I will be printing it out anytime this week or this new week. I'll be printing out the book for myself and I'll also be selling the book to people as well. So I was thinking, because I want my space to be so authentic. What I mean by being authentic, I don't want it to be too loud. I want it to be gentle. I want it to color like maybe brown or beige or any other color that makes so much sense. I have a little problem, and the problem is that I am a pink lady. I love pink. Yes, I love pink a lot. I want to start a business, so I want to use my space for my business, and I want to use my space for myself, for my normal authentic self. And the problem now is the space already has a dark bed frame. It has a bed, it has a wardrobe, but I don't know how I am going to do it. I don't know how I'm going to do it because the owner says that the house already has the bed frame and the bed, so I don't have to buy a new bed frame. I don't have to buy a new bed. And if I get to buy a new bed frame, why would I keep the owner's bed frame? Do you get me? So I was just thinking about it and I was like, okay, if I am using a dark bed frame, what color can I use in the room to make it more feminine and more authentic? I would like to know what color I'm going to use for the room to make it more feminine and more authentic to my own taste and my own pleasing. I don't know the color of the curtains I want yet. I don't know the color of the center rug I'm going to buy. I don't know the color of so many things I'm going to buy. Since I'm a pink lady, I was thinking if I should use pink to be nice, but I don't want to use pink in my new space. I want to give it the calm aesthetic vibe. If you have an idea, just pass it along with me on the comment section. So let's write down the things I think I need for the house. So I'm writing down. At the moment now, I have listed out all the things I need for my bathroom and for my bedroom, because just my bathroom and the bedroom. I have almost all the things I need for the kitchen. My pots, my plates, my knives. I have gotten all those. I have all those things already. So it's just for the bedroom and for the bathroom. So I'll be listing down all the things I wrote for my bathroom, and maybe you might want them as well, and all the things I list for my bedroom. But I have not actually listed everything because it's exactly when I move in I would know if I still want to get more things. So I'll be listing out the things I want to get. I hope you want them too, and if you have any idea of the things that you're missing, please kindly let me know. Thank you for watching.